Hey guys, so happy Vlogmas Day 6. Today was the chillest of chill days. Took my dog on an afternoon walk, and after we walk, always, he wants a good game of tug the leash. So Dante had a really good handle on it this time. So I didn't have a lot of plant chores. The only thing I really needed to do was kind of clean up the leaves. I actually do not have one tree on my property that I didn't plant. So these leaves are from the large trees in my neighbors' yards. And until they all fall, it's just a constant battle of pick up the leaves. So that's basically what I'm doing here is breaking up the leaves. And I'm hoping this is the last time of the season. But just breaking up the leaves and getting them into the yard waste bins so that they can be ready for compost. And it was actually not difficult, but these Christmas decorations that I have in the yard just made it a little harder than usual. So just trying to navigate around those. And for whatever reason, once again, I came outside without gloves, but it was actually a little bit warmer today. We made it to the 40s. Ow, ow, ow. So this is just me picking up the leaves in the yard, and honestly, when you have a garden, it's just an ongoing thing that you're going to have to constantly clean up the yard. So I've had my neighbors drive by my house before and they're like, oh, your yard's so pretty, and I'm like, yes, it is. But also they ask me, can you do my yard like yours? And I could, but what they like about my yard is not that it's got always some type of decor or pretty flowers out there growing, and they might like that too. But I think what really draws people to the yard is that it's maintained. It looks like it's cared for. So the grass is green. There's very few weeds. Well, obviously at this time of year the grass is mostly dead, but you understand what I mean. The grass is green. The flowers are pretty. It's maintained. It looks nice. The leaves are gotten up. It's constantly mowed. And that's just maintenance. And so there's constantly going to be care if you want your garden to look lovely. Also, shout out to my Dante being such a good boy. Now, he did try to get away a few times, but he's learning stay. And he was doing such a good job. Like, I had neighbors who came by and they're like, oh, you're so cute, I want to take you with me. And he just stayed there. He was such a good boy. So the last thing that I needed to do in terms of maintenance was to change out my solar lights. I didn't change all of them. I just changed a few of them. Over the years, that little top part that the solar hits kind of breaks down. And so it doesn't look as nice later as it did before. So I just changed out about 4 of them, and I'll probably change out more as we hit the spring season. But that's pretty much it for the yard maintenance I had to do. And this is the final of it all, looking nice.